Your personal brand is your biggest asset, and with GoHighLevel, you can launch a complete funnel that builds authority and attracts clients on autopilot. Start with a landing page that highlights your story, your values, and what makes you different. Use GoHighLevel's drag and drop builder to create a page that feels authentically you. Offer a free resource like an ebook, checklist, or a training video. This positions you as the go-to expert while growing your email list with qualified leads. Set up email and SMS sequences that showcase your expertise, share testimonials, and invite leads into your world, all automated inside GoHighLevel. Finally, drive them to a booking calendar or offer page where they can take the next step, whether that's joining your program, booking a call, or buying your service. And that's how you launch a personal brand funnel in GoHighLevel. Simple, automated, and designed to grow your influence and income. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.